Dadak again, making healthy and delicious meal. Nurse Dadak from Tyler, Texas. It's gonna be lemon with ginger and salmon with lemon and ginger infused with lemon essential oil. Okay, I'm gonna cut some lemon. Cut. I already washed the salmon. When you wash the salmon, dry it with a paper towel. Put that on top, like that. And then ginger, slice it thinly. Like that. Make it beautiful. And put it, some of them put in the bottom, some of them put on the top. That way there's flavor in the bottom, there's flavor on the top. Okay. Right there. On the bottom, like that. And I'm gonna put a little bit of basil. It's called sweet basil. Slice a little bit of basil. Ding. Like that. Put some on the bottom, put some on top. And then in the middle, it's gonna be about 30 minutes that you, depending on how big is your salmon. In about 15 minutes, you put your zucchini, slice your zucchini thinly, like that. And you put this after 15 minutes of cooking, of baking the salmon. That way it's not gonna get very burnt. Don't burn your zucchini, okay? So we're gonna put a little bit of salt. Dun, dun, dun. A little bit of lemon essential oil. 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. That's it. Dinner is ready to be cooked. And then I already have some that's baking, so I don't want to waste your time. Look. I got it baked, ready for plating. I'm gonna put it on the table. I'm gonna plate it. This is good for 2 people. See there, it's done. 30 minutes had passed by and it is 350 degrees, the oven. Right there. And a little bit of zucchini. One for you, one for me. And that's our dinner for the night. little bit of water. Infuse your water with lemon essential oil. And you're ready to eat. Okay? That's all for tonight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. This is Nurse Dadak from Tyler, Texas.